you survive this 5 minutes?
First exercise.
This exercise is commonly done by basketballers during their training as a warm-up exercise, but in our case, this will be a good cardio movement. The lower your hips are during the side step shuffle, the more challenging this exercise will be. Try to take about 2 to 3 steps to one side and then back. By the 20th second, you should be able to feel the intensity.
Ten seconds left. Next exercise.
Next up, we have the good old mountain climbers. So get into position and raise one knee to your stomach or even chest level if you're fit enough, or else raising to the stomach level is fine. Then bring your leg to the original position and do the same for the other leg. You don't have to perform the exercise super quickly as a beginner. Start slow but remain consistent throughout.
Ten seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
Now, let's get on the floor lying and do some flutter kicks. Raise your legs to about 45 degrees and move your legs in the opposite direction. The lower the angle of your legs from the ground, the more challenging this exercise will do.
Ten seconds left. Next exercise. Halfway there.
I think you're going to love this exercise because it's time for some burpees. Start by going down to a push-up position, then bring both feet forward into a squatting position and then stand up. After that, you can finish with a little hop as you raise your hands up. Then repeat.
Ten seconds left. Rest. Next exercise.
We're almost at the end of this workout as we head into jumping jacks. I believe this requires no further explanation.
Ten seconds left. Last exercise.
Finally, our last exercise. Bring each leg up to your hips level, one at a time, and touch your knees with your hands as you do so. final exercise for this 5-minute workout, so let's give our best shot.
Seconds left. Workout complete. You have earned my respect. For now.